You need to watch this if you crave more speed and style for your ride. Let's dive into the best sport kits for 2024. Starting with the S-Sport Design package. Think aggressive front bumper, sleek rear diffuser, and side skirts that scream speed. Unique paints and interior trims? Oh yes. Next, the SZ07 Performance package, larger front splitter, rear wing, carbon fiber ground effects, and don't forget those upgraded brakes and tyres. For muscle car fans, the offers the carbon fiber track pack. Carbon fiber wheels, aggressive rear wing, and race-inspired suspension. It's a beast, though with its M-Carbon package is a stunner too. Carbon fiber mirror caps, rear spoiler, and interior trim. Plus, performance-tuned suspension gets a boost with the Carbon Race package. Carbon fiber front splitter, side blades, rear diffuser, and upgraded exhaust tips. Pure adrenaline. This Nismo GT package, more aggressive bumpers, aerodynamic components, and lightweight wheels. Performance-tuned suspension included. Lastly, with its AMG Aerodynamics package, larger rear wing, front splitter, and enhanced cooling. It's all about that track performance. Get ready to turn heads and dominate the road in 2024.